What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since my last video. I think it was actually a review on this dash in my car. But I've been off this week. I've been working for the past 3 days. Honestly, I should have been making videos, but I'm really bad at making videos, so. But the reason I'm doing this is because I guess a lot of people would like to see these videos, and I just want to show you what I'm doing this week. So, other than roll cage, I had to cut out my transmission tunnel to fit in this seat right here. So, I was fitting a Sparco Evo seat. Here, I'll set this back here, guys. Let me get this seat out the way. Alright, so I know it looks like shit right now, but what I had to do is I had to cut the hump out where the catalytic converter used to be to fit this wide seat. I just cut it out, I folded this down, I made a panel, tacked it in, and then I'm using this epoxy abrasive glue stuff. And then this is the second amount of stuff I put in. And then when it gets fully dry, which it's, give it like 2 or 3 hours, it'll be hard. But I'll take a flap disc on an angle grinder and I'll just smooth it all out, and it'll make it look really nice. If you guys want to know what this stuff is called, here, I'll show you exactly what it is. It's the 3M 8115. This stuff is freaking amazing. That's what I use back here in my back, my fuel cell. It bonded these stuff in right there. It's like Bondo, but like for welding. It's freaking great. It's strong. It's just as strong as if you're gonna weld something. So that's good. So then you can get the seat in. I'm trying to make a roll cage. I got this tube bender out, about ready. Got metal in the rack over there. Got the tube bender. By the way, welcome to the shop. Got Nova, late model, Falcon, forklift. But unfortunately I only have like a small memory card, so I can only take like 7 minutes of video. But I'll show you what else I've been doing, since I haven't done any videos in the past 2 or 3 days when I should have been. So I got this dash, the Retrospect dash, which took forever, but it's a pretty nice dash. Got all the gauges in. But I made this little flat panel for the glove box. I still need to drill 2 holes right here to hold into the bottom, and then I'll take it off and I'll paint it. Then I'm making the center piece, which Retrospect makes one. It's like $100 some. Sorry, this is bad. This will fit in there like that, and it curves down there, so it'll screw in. I'm making these 2 little pieces, making some spots right here so I can bolt this into. What else have I been doing the past couple of days? Oh, I got new wheels and tires. And I'm super excited about them. So here, I'll show you what I used to have, which I absolutely hate. These wheels. They're 17-inch wheels. They're 17 by 10s, which I don't like 17-inch wheels. They looked all right, but the tires just didn't fit. They were too wide. I think the fronts had 245s on them, the rears had 275s. They were just way too big. So I got these. I'm super hyped about these. So what I did is I got a Bassett wheel, that is really bad lighting. Oh my god, it's terrible lighting. Which, it's a Bassett wheel. It's just like a regular, like, race wheel. Let's see if I can get another angle on it. It's just a regular Bassett wheel, and then I plasti dipped it, which that could have been another video I could have made. But again, I'm terrible. All right, yeah, that's it. So I plasti dipped it flat black, and then I got some Toyo Proxy R888Rs, which I just, oh man, I'm freaking in love with these tires, man. Oh boy. Oh, light. knocked out. There we go. Now you can see the tread. But so it's a 255 on a 10-inch wheel, which every tire shop that I said I wanted to do this with, they like shamed me and like thought I was stupid. But this not that much stretch. I mean, it's really not. It doesn't look that bad at all. I think it looks perfect, exactly what I wanted. I don't condone like extreme stretching, but this is like just enough. I absolutely love it. I'll just keep you updated the next few days. Here, I'll probably show you like updates on this. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so here's a quick look at my floor pan. I'm not very happy with it. It could be better, but it's good enough where I ain't gonna redo it. You can kind of tell I patched this right here. But basically that whole hump's gone. Like, it just goes straight down. I wish these corners weren't cornered. I wish they were like molded in. But the amount of glue I have to use, and I don't know. It's structurally sound. Like, this thing is solid. And then I've drilled my holes for my seat, which that's some thick stuff right there. But I wish this, like this right here is pretty good. It's pretty smooth, and then this bulges out just a slight bit because the tunnel starts to curve right here. And to really get rid of that, because it wouldn't bend back. I guess 40 years of being bit that way, it doesn't want to be bit back. But I actually have to cut it like up here, and that's when you start getting into your e-brake linkages and stuff. And I didn't want to hit this little lip. I don't know. I could have put it more. I could put more glue and like molded it all the way down in, almost like Bondo. I mean, you could probably use Bondo, but I'm like super against Bondo unless it's necessary for body work. But I mean, no one's ever gonna see it because it's gonna be seats on top of it, and then rubber liner is gonna be on top of it. So I'm not really worried about it. Cool. I'll update you next. What's up, guys? It's about Friday of this week where I've been getting a bunch of stuff done. I'm just gonna show you what I got done because I've gotten quite a bit done. So I got the seat in. I think last time I showed you guys I was cutting out the tunnel, and then I'll flip back when I take the seat back out. Got a couple panels made. I got this panel right here made, which you can't actually see. Hold on. Maybe if I just use the flashlight on my phone. There you go. So I made this panel, which on the bottom part I'm cutting out for the radio. Just have to do that. And then I just made a blank over here for my glove box, which that'll look a lot better. I'll show y'all later. But this is getting a real racy feel, so I'm getting excited. I've been working on my roll cage. It's been kind of slow because of all this stuff in the inside and panels made. So over here I got half of the main bar made, so it's coming kind of slow, but it's coming there. Just good old pneumatic tube bender. But yeah, update for Friday. I'll get back when I get the seat out and I'll show you my actual floor pans, which I'm not terribly happy with. So see you in a second. What's up? So I've been bending some metal. I'm super excited. Oh man, I've been bending metal for like the past like 3 hours because I'm not the greatest roll cage maker, but so I've been bending some metal on my tube bender, making templates. I got like multiple templates laid around here. I've been marking, re-bending. But let me show you guys this freaking bar. I'm so hyped about this. This is some tight shit right here. That is like there's a little bit of room so I can move it to the side, but there's nothing. There's no finger gap. Like, that is ridiculous. Let's see if I can. My headliner's dirty, but man, that thing is tight. And then I'm gonna make a little platform right here, and I'll be back. Alright guys, just a quick update. I've been bending some more metal and finally got the harness bar done. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so I got this bar. Yo, flip the light your way. Don't look at my notching. I haven't cleaned it up yet. Yeah, I'm super excited. I got this bar in, and I'll go over to the other side of the car and show you why it's so good. Oh, it's not really so good, but so I bent it the way I wanted it, so it kind of curves around the seat. A lot of roll cages aren't like necessarily like that. Like they have, this bar is shorter, and it's like it's a nub coming straight out of it, so it doesn't come straight, curve, and then go straight again. It's usually just a curve and then a straight, which is gonna be plenty enough room for my straps. The way I did this is so it looks like it more curves the car. Plus, I didn't want to come out like this way too much, because it could have done more of like a 90, but I didn't like that. And I can show you how it like curves around. I like it. That's what I want. Now I'll show you. I'll give you a reference what I'm talking about. Like on this car, see how it comes like straight out, like it's just curved. That's what I wasn't going for, but this is just a lot minor. But yeah, just update. Keep it updated. Woo-hoo! Alright guys, what's up? So I didn't finish my roll cage this week. I'll have to finish it and get the rest of the footage in the next video. I did put my seat back in so I could drive it around, because I want to drive it around the block. I did get up to like 90 just today up on the back road or country road, which is one of the really first times I've been driving it around. Yeah man, just like, subscribe.